Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the right shelf assembly in this LG refrigerator, lift the front of the shelf up and unhook it from the slot and pull it out. Remove the new right shelf assembly from the packaging. Hook the new assembly into the slot and gently set the shelf in place. And the LG refrigerator should be ready for use.